Welcome to another video from RCdiy.ca. This video covers setting up a GPS sensor along with distance from the takeoff location to the aircraft, altitude and logs. We will also open the logs and companion to view the GPS tracks using Google Earth. Please read the documentation for details of what I will be showing you. A link to the documentation will be placed in the description below this video. Connect the GPS to the receiver using the S port and then power on the transmitter and the receiver. From the main view, press Menu. Then press Page repeatedly till the telemetry screen is displayed. Scroll down to Discover Sensors and press Enter. The GPS coordinates, altitude, speed, and date appear in the list of telemetry sensors. Press Enter to stop discovery. Make sure the GPS sensor is facing the correct way up. Wait a few minutes for it to start sending telemetry. By default, the altitude displayed is above sea level. To get the altitude above ground, the auto offset option needs to be used. Select the GPS altitude sensor. Press Enter. Scroll down to Auto Offset and press Enter. Press Exit. Now add the altitude to a telemetry view screen. This is done on the display screen. Press Page to get to the display screen. Scroll down to Screen 1 and press Enter. Scroll to select Numbers. Press Enter. Scroll down to select the first empty field. Press Enter. Long press Enter to display the context menu. Scroll to select Telemetry from the context menu. Press Enter. Scroll to select the GPS altitude sensor. Press Enter. Press Exit twice to get to the main view. From the main view, long press Page to get to the telemetry view screen. At this stage, the altitude displayed is still above sea level. Long press Enter. Select Reset Telemetry. Press Enter. Now the altitude is relative to the position of the aircraft when telemetry was reset. Press Exit. From the main view, press Menu. Now add a calculated sensor to the display distance from the aircraft to the location where the GPS was powered on or where telemetry was reset. Long press Page repeatedly to get to the telemetry screen. Scroll down and select Add New Sensor. Press Enter. Press Enter to enter a name for the sensor. Scroll to change the characters. Press Enter to select a character and move to the next one. Long press Enter changes a character from lowercase to uppercase and moves to the next one. Scroll to select the type field and press Enter. Custom changes to calculated. Scroll and select Formula. Press Enter and scroll to select Distance. Press Enter. Scroll down to select the empty GPS sensor field. Press Enter. Scroll to select the GPS sensor. Press Enter. If only a GPS sensor is provided, the distances are calculated between the GPS power on or telemetry reset location and the aircraft position along the ground. If the aircraft has moved 3 meters horizontally and 4 meters vertically up, the distance calculated will be 3 meters. This is because the altitude is not being accounted for. To account for the altitude, we will add the altitude sensor. Scroll down to select the empty altitude sensor field. Press Enter. Scroll to select the altitude sensor. Press Enter. Now the distance calculated and the displayed will account for the altitude as well. If the aircraft has moved 3 meters horizontally and 4 meters vertically, the distance calculated will be 5 meters. Press Exit twice to get back to the telemetry screen. Now we will set up recording the GPS coordinates to a log file on the SD card. Long press page repeatedly till the special function screen is displayed. Scroll to select an empty line and press Enter. Long press Enter and then select Other from the context menu. Press Enter. On should be displayed. If not, scroll to Locate On. Press Enter to select it. Scroll to select the next field. Press Enter. Scroll to select the SD logs function. Press Enter. Scroll to select the next field. Press Enter. Scroll to select 20 seconds. Every 20 seconds, telemetry will be saved to the log file. Press page repeatedly till the telemetry screen is displayed. Scroll down to select GPS. Press Enter. Make sure that the logs file field is selected. If it is not, scroll to it and press Enter to select it. Press Exit when done. Press Exit again to get to the main view. Now we will look at how to open the log file in Companion and view the GPS coordinates in Google Earth. With the transmitter off, hold the 2 horizontal tabs towards the sensor and turn on the transmitter. Connect a USB cable to the transmitter and the computer. Wait for the SD card and Taranis drives to get mounted. Copy the log file from the SD card to the computer. Launch Companion. Click on the Open Logs file icon on the toolbar. If you can't locate that icon, click on File and then click on View Log File. Locate the saved log file and open it. On the bottom left of the log file viewer window, there is a picture of the Earth viewed from space. If it is not there, then make sure you have Google Earth downloaded, installed, and that the path to the executable is configured in Companion's application settings. Click on the Google Earth image. The GPS coordinates will be imported into Google Earth and displayed. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow the links below. Stay safe and have fun.